Hi there, and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. Today we're going to talk about greetings. The normal regular greetings like good day, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening are basically the same in Nigerian Pidgin English. However, the pronunciation and written form are a bit different. For the word good, it is written and pronounced as gu or gu. The letter D is silent or dropped. Good morning becomes good morning. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Sometimes some people like to stress the interjectory O to these greetings or to their responses. For example, good morning. Good morning, oh. When greeting more than two people or three collectively, the introduction of the second person plural, una, comes to play. You say, una good morning. Una good morning. If you prefer to include the emphatic utterance, oh, then you can say something like, una good morning, oh. Let's look at uses of greetings with the marker day. There are actually two ways to use the marker day for greetings in Nigerian Pidgin English. The WH question how is introduced in the beginning of the question, followed by the subject or noun and the marker day at the end of the sentence. The formation is how plus subject or noun plus day, and of course the question mark. Look at the following examples. How you dey? How she dey? How dem dey? How your family dey? How una dey? How work or how work day? Here you can see that we introduce the noun work. The second form is introducing the subject or noun in the beginning of the sentence, followed by the marker day and an adjective like fine, good, okay, cool, great. This type of greetings is actually a question. The formation is noun plus subject plus day plus the adjective and of course the question mark. Example, you dey fine, work dey fine, una dey fine, family dey fine. Responses to greetings of the marker day and WH question how. You can say any subject to the response. You can use I, you, una, anyone you want. Look at the following examples. I dey gentle. We dey bam. She dey kampe. He dey fine. Work day. We dey okay. Family day good. Sometimes people just respond with the phrase, thank God. When people are feeling so-so or just hanging in there, the following responses are used with any subject. I just dey. I just dey maintain. We just dey manage. You get as e be. We dey push am. If you like, you can add the interjectory expression O to your response. I just dey oh. We just dey manage oh. When someone responds with one of these so-so phrases, you can say, it is well. It is well oh. Let's look at some more informal greetings in Nigerian Pidgin English. How far? Usually, how far is pronounced how far. How far is the most common way to say hello in Nigerian Pidgin English. It is obviously used in an informal setting or more amongst family, friends, and acquaintances. Hey. Hey is commonly considered rude when used in reference with people who you don't know very well. It also applied among friends, especially teenagers and millennials. It sounds casual and cool, but can sometimes be confusing. It sounds better with the addition of the greeting, how you dey. For example, hey Paul, how you dey? See how it sounds? Better. I hail. This is commonly used in Warri Pidgin. Other popular forms of saying hello hailed from Warri that have been widely accepted, and their responses are, how levels? You can respond like, nothing spoiled, all correct, I full ground. If you want to say you're doing extremely good, then one can say, I full ground pieces. I full ground remain. Other form of greeting, how your side? Response, my side pure. To be more emphatic, one can say, my side pure pieces. Or my side pure die. Or you can just say, nothing spoiled. Another Warri greeting, how we be? Can respond with phrase like, get as it be. Or if you're okay, it bam, die. More greetings. I dey greet or I dey hello. This is to call attention of people when they don't hear when you're saying hello. I throw a saluto. This is kind of an old expression, but people still use it. Let's look at some additional form of greetings with WH question, how, used around the country, and your response include, how body? Response, fine, thank God. Some people say, body dey inside cloth. It's an expression meaning I'm hanging in there. Or you can just say, body dey, can't pay, a slang for saying okay. How they go, they go. That's another question. Greetings. How life? How everything? When you hear these three greetings, you can use any of the responses I have given earlier. How things? Well, you can respond by saying things tight anyhow. That is when things are kind of pretty rough, you know. Now let's look at some slang way of saying hello in Nigerian Pidgin English. Waiting they happen. Waiting they oculate. Waiting they pop. Waiting they shelle. Waiting they guan. Well, older folks will get this guan because guan is a borrowed word from Jamaican patois, which means happen. Or you can just say, where you. So, response to any of these greetings used with waiting. You can just say, I dey gentle. Nothing much. Nothing spoil. No kai. no wahala. Let's look at edifying informal greetings to a man. You can say something like, my chief, I greet. Twale baba. Chairman, I greet. Boss, I hail. Baba, I dey greet to. Bros, I greet. Bro, how far? Well, sending farewell on someone's behalf, you can say words like, greet your wife for me, oh. Greet your family for me, oh. Greet your boss for me, oh. Greet your children for me, oh. Greet everybody for me, oh. Response to greetings like this will be, she go yeah, oh. Then go yeah, oh. If it is for a group of people, you say, then go yeah, oh. If it's just for a single person, you can say, he go yeah, oh, or she go yeah, oh. Finally, some people might want to sound a little posh by adding this ungainly verbalism that is grammatically incorrect and unidiomatic in English language. Say me well to your wife. You can use it without any problem. It is widely used in Nigerian Pidgin English and Nigerian English, as it were. Guys, these are the form of greetings that we have looked at today that is commonly used in Nigerian Pidgin English. Of course, there are some extra form of greetings that people use, but let's draw the curtain here. If you have any question, feel free and comment on the comment section. Or better still, if you have any Nigerian greeting that you know, please share with us. Thank you for watching today. My name remains Bafo. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep it locked on BDMP, breaking down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Peace is in. Bye.